Hi, I'm Austin Santich, Director of Systems Engineering at Matthews Automation Solutions. At Matthews Automation Solutions, global brands partner with us to increase their distribution and order fulfillment speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Matthews' broad portfolio of best-in-breed solutions, including global brands such as Compass, Pyramid, and Lightning Pick, we offer warehouse execution software, pick and put-to-light solutions, conveyor controls, order finishing systems, and AGV, AMR, and other robotics integrations. With over 25 years of industry experience and proven integration with material handling systems, Matthews delivers agile and scalable applications throughout the supply chain. Matthews Automation Solutions is a Matthews International company servicing customers from 2 North American locations, headquartered out of Cincinnati, Ohio and Waukesha, Wisconsin. We also have robotics partnered brands in the UK and on the West Coast. Matthews Automation serves a broad spectrum of industries, including e-commerce, retail, third-party logistics providers, parcel and post, food and beverage, grocery distribution, healthcare, and manufacturing. Matthews Automation provides a wide range of solutions in the material handling industry, including warehouse execution software packages, conveyor controls, pick and put-to-light solutions, including put walls and put-to-store, order finishing systems, and robotics integration, including AGVs, AMRs, and others. When implementing our solutions, Matthews customers typically see results of over 99.9% order accuracy, increased throughput of up to 5 to 10 times, increased SKU counts, and Matthews has helped multiple customers increase their e-commerce order capacity by over 100,000 orders per day. We've seen labor requirements reduced by up to 75% in some cases. Matthews' partnership with Rockwell benefits our customers because it enables us to provide 24/7, 365 technical service and industry-leading controls solutions. Rockwell ensures that our engineers are using cutting-edge technology and are trained on all the uses and capabilities. Through our partnership with Rockwell, we're able to provide our customers solutions that are reliable, trustworthy, and the best-in-class value.